Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Kia Optima. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged. Always disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent accidental electrical discharge. You will need a basic set of metric wrenches and sockets, a jack, and jack stands for this job. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair process. Now let's get to the starter. Begin by safely raising the front of your Kia Optima using a jack and securing it firmly with jack stands. The starter motor is usually found on the passenger side, mounted to the transmission bell housing. You might need to remove a few components like the air intake tube or a heat shield to gain clear access to it. Take your time to identify all mounting points. With clear access, it's time to disconnect the old starter. First, remove the main power cable, usually a large gauge wire, and then the smaller solenoid wire. These are typically secured with a 10mm or 13mm nut. Next, unbolt the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the starter to the transmission. Once unbolted, carefully wiggle and pull the old starter free from its mounting. Now for the new starter installation. Carefully guide the new starter into position, aligning it with the mounting holes. Secure it with the 2 or 3 mounting bolts, tightening them to about 30 foot-pounds. Reconnect the solenoid wire and the main power cable, ensuring they are snug. Finally, lower your vehicle, reconnect the negative battery terminal, and start your engine to confirm the new starter is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.